Oh, welcome back. This is the Star Ingredient Challenge, and it's all about the quail egg. That's right. We have challenged Chef Cheryl-Ann Shortt-Charles to produce a dish using those little guys.
Yes, it's really those little guys.
So interestingly, Chef, Omadav and Professor Ganbad were saying that the quail egg is not here to compete with the chicken egg, and I thought that was interesting. It really not. It can't go in the same.
I mean, size for size, it can't equate, right? But I think, though, health-wise, I think it could, because in my reading up with the quail, we have a lot of people who are allergic to chicken eggs. They can have quail eggs, right? And like I did it for somebody, just scrambled one which came up to just about that, and it tastes like chicken.
Right.
You understand?
So it's not a drastic difference in taste.
It's not a drastic difference in taste. And if you're looking for something a little more higher in protein than your normal chicken egg, your quail egg, it's more nutritious. Because it have a lot more, nutritional value in it.
The yolk is richer, so the yolk,
yes,
the
yolk is very rich.
Yeah.
And as I said, they have no antibiotics, no setup, nothing in it. So you're getting that natural taste from it as well.
But also for people who don't have the time to do that extensive research, you also have a QR code on the packaging that, more tech-savvy people could scan their phones
and they
could get a praise of the health, nutrition.
All the health benefits right on the packaging.
Right on the packaging.
And this is available, Omadav,
at the university in Mount Hope. We have a beautiful sales outlet there where they could have not only the eggs but a range of other farm products.
Excellent, excellent. What are you doing for us today, Chef?
So we're going to do a quail breakfast hash.
Very well.
Right?
Sounds good.
Sounds good. So we're going to have some oil. And I have some onions, which we're going to saute, together with some garlic and parsley. So we saute that until it gets soft. I have some red skin potatoes, which I parboiled.
Nice.
Along with some mushrooms.
Love me some mushrooms.
Love me some mushrooms. Some sausage. You can use whichever sausage you like. And some bacon in there. Thank you very much. Alright, so we just saute all of that together. We put a little salt, a little black pepper, and a little heat.
A little heat.
Yeah, exactly.
Those boys are big boys. They can handle some heat.
Right? Get on the little heat. Now what I did, I made it in these little skillets.
Right.
So if you have these little breakfast skillets, they're very popular now. You can do it in that, or you can do it, in a big baking dish. Right. And then serve it individually. If you so choose. So after we've sauteed this down, you want to put it, as I said, if you have a skillet into individual portions.
Oh.
Like that. And I also have some cheddar cheese and Parmesan cheese here, which we'll sprinkle on top. And then on top of that goes our quail eggs.
There's a crowning glory in this thing.
Crowning glory.
Right,
so we just crack it. And come there.
One.
So we put about 3.
3? I was about to ask.
It's not really so expensive. So you don't need to move it so much. As you should move it very careful.
Yeah. So 3 is enough. Yeah.
3 is
1,
enough.
2,
3 is enough.
3.
I think 3 is enough. 3 is a good serving.
But it's a nice rich yolk.
It is. See how nice and yellow it is?
Yeah, it's a nice rich yolk.
So that's where all the nutrients is. So I'm putting it
in the oven. And it boils 400.
And it boils, right?
And you have it finished here. But as Professor was saying, Omar, it really is. It's a bit of a high end. It's not just chicken eggs. It's not just it's a high end sort of culinary experience.
Just as the meat itself, we treated or we referred to it as game meat. Remember I made that point last time.
Right.
The same consideration for the eggs. We wouldn't treat it as a everyday you know what I mean, staples necessarily for the average person or household.
Right.
But if people have specific dietary requirements, or if they choose a certain conscious lifestyle about different things, of course, this would be the ideal choice.
One of the things I've seen is people who are into salads, fresh salads, green salads, just top it up with quail eggs, you get your good proteins right there. Just cut it in half and
And interestingly, you were also saying that at the university, the field station, you also do fresh kale and Swiss chard.
We're trying to promote not just the traditional lettuce and pak choy. And
a lot of the microgreens.
So these crops like Swiss chard and kale that people are into now in a big way that we have come to realize that they have lots of nutrition for us.
We're
trying to promote. So when you put that with the quail eggs, you know, we're looking after not just bulk food for food security, it's nutrition security.
Nutrition.
Exactly.
Can I invite the public to come up on a Thursday to check the market, or you can handle the public coming up?
No, I don't think so.
Right, so forget that invitation.
But the public is invited to come any day to the university farm, located in Mount Hope, and purchase from a wide range of milk and meats and everything.
The other project just before is just we started for World Food Day. We did a project called 105 to Stay Alive, where we planted 105 breadfruit trees at the University Farm. So maybe on a future edition of the Cup of Joe, we'll have the breadfruit as a start. In coming times, we want to focus on that as not only as a food and nutrition source, but we also want to explore more than oil down, more than chips. What's the potential of that food?
And that's what you do, right here, the star ingredient on Cup of Joe. And guys, really and truly, I want to commend the university, the faculty, professor, because as I said, feeding ourselves so that I'm supposing the import bill will be a little less is very, very important.
But really making I know people focus on the food there. It's a healthier people. Lots of lifestyle diseases out there. We have to roll that. To us, that is probably as important, if not more important,
as feeding the country.
As feeding the country. That a nutritious set of people. You know, fit and they eating well and they combating all these diseases that we don't know where they come from. We eating healthy. Because we could produce it.
So good news is that Chef Cheryl-Ann Shortt-Charles, she whispered in my ear at Aroma Culinary Cafe and Culinary Studio. On our weekend, we do a wonderful brunch here, and she's going to create a quail and a quail egg dish that folks will come and enjoy right here. So we will actually have the quail egg experience and the quail experience here at Aroma Culinary Studio. Excellent.
Quail on the greens.
Quail on the greens.
Cook Carnival.
Differently.
Hey, Omar Maharaj and Professor Owain Ganpart, guys. I want to thank them for dropping by and kind of educating us. This is a brand new effort among all the other work that they're doing up at the university, up at that faculty. Congratulations, guys, and whatever we can do to help to share that message, please let us know. Chef Cheryl-Ann Shortt-Charles, my own is in the oven.
Yes.
Right, very well. We're coming back. The star ingredients, you guys, quail eggs. Check it out.